A Facebook quiz is a fun way to entertain your fans and get to know them better. Let's say we're the owner of a small coffee shop and we want to make a quiz about coffee. We'll start by typing in a title, The Coffee Quiz. Next, we paste the short introduction text with an image. This should encourage our fans to take the quiz. Now we'll go in the advanced menu options and check the option to collect participants' infos for our newsletter. We'll also edit the default message with a better call to action. Let's submit this and continue with the questions. We add a first question asking participants, where was coffee first discovered? We type in a few countries to choose from. We add images. And we select Ethiopia as the right answer. We can also edit the right/wrong answer with more information. Let's save this question and fast forward, so we now have 3 questions in our quiz. Great! Let's continue and preview what we've done so far. From the Layout menu, we'll change the title's color to match the color of our image. And we'll answer the quiz to make sure it works as expected. Two right answers out of 3. Not bad. Let's continue to the last step. On the Publish page, we have different options to promote the quiz. We'll start by customizing the timeline post with a more specific image. Next, we'll install the poll on our coffee shop Facebook page. Let's choose the page from the list and click Add Page tab. We see that the poll was successfully installed in a tab on our page. We now need to share the poll URL on our page timeline. Let's do that. We copy the URL and navigate to our page timeline. We write a new status update with a call to action and paste the URL. And that's it. Our quiz is up and running. We can pin the post to the top of the page and boost it to reach more people.